Oh. Mhm. Good morning, guys. It's Patty here from Flower and Flower, and I'm picking back up where I left off on my project. Started the garden wall up there and did the garden steps, and now I've got my second wall that I'm going to be putting around what's going to be a patio. And it's been super hot. I mean, I think everybody's experiencing the same thing across the nation, but I don't do well in the heat, so I have to come out early in the morning to do any kind of physical, like hard labor like this. So it's still fairly early. I'm gonna go ahead and continue placing the bricks and the top bricks, and then this wall will be done, and then I'm going to put a small retaining wall, and that wall is gonna come here, like to the edge of this area right here, and then I'm going to scoop it like this around this little path, and that's going to create division here, and I'm going to be able to level out that pathway. So I still have a long way to go on this project, as well as cleaning out all of these new gardens and putting in fresh soil and new plants and everything, but I'm starting to see the vision come alive, and it's pretty exciting. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work, and I'll check back with you in a few. Remember to put the lip over the edge of the existing brick, so that it kind of hangs over the outside. Also bought some of these bags of sand, and the sand actually works really well for leveling because it doesn't have any chunks in it or anything like that. So I've been using this because it's easy to kind of pivot the brick if it doesn't fit right, and so I'm going to use some of this on the ground and then level it and put the rest of the bricks on. Edge of the level on the edge of the brick, and it appears to be level. So now I'm going to grab another brick, put a little bit more glue down, grab another brick. The glue cures in about 24 to 72 hours. Perfect. Okay, so I have all of the bricks placed for this bottom tier, and the last part is actually going to glue the capstone onto the top of the wall, which is super easy. What I do is I just take them off now that I have them placed so that they will fit and make the curve. I just take them off, and then as I glue, I just put them back on. But I just place them down so that I know how they go in on the wall. And yeah, so that's it. This part of the wall is done. Next part, like I said, is to do a little retaining wall that kind of goes along this path and curves into this rock pile here. It's taken me quite a bit of time to get this done because the heat has been a factor. It's been too hot to work outside. But right here, I wanted to show you that this is the last wall that I'm creating, and I need to level out those last 4 bricks. So from here all the way to the edge here, it's all level. And these are the top capstones that are going to go on top. And then this wall is all completed, and this wall down here is all completed. In some areas this is 3 high, and so after I get this wall done with the capstones, I'm gonna stop this video, and we're gonna go on to the next phase of it, which will either be doing the sprinklers in all the beds, or actually laying down, showing you how we do a stamped concrete patio. So I haven't decided what I want to do first. I think a lot depends on the weather. Moving a lot of heavy bags of concrete doesn't sound too good right now, but I do have to also finish putting out all the gravel. So I just stop rambling here, and I'll get to finishing this, and then I'll take a picture of it all finished out, and we'll put up this video, and then we'll start on the next phase. All right, guys, here's the new wall. There it is. And there's my son who is helping me. And there's my other wall. And then this little retaining wall down here, which is going to go around the patio. So this is the patio area right in here around the tree. And I need more rock, so you can still see the black liner lead block underneath the rocks, but I'm gonna get more rocks and then fill that in. Railings for the stairs, lots and lots of plants. I gotta clean all this out, gotta put watering systems in. So I have a lot to do on this project, but getting the walls done is like a huge thing to me, because it felt like it took forever, and that I kept adding to it because of the level of the yard coming down. I had to make different tiers, and but I'll keep you guys posted and keep you updated as always, but for now, this is where it stands. Bye everybody.